powder will be dissolved in the boiling water. Boiling water, what is the quantity of boiling water?
75 ml.
75 gram
75
ml,
ml.
sorry.
And I have asked you that you have dissolved 10 ml cold water that contains the starch, and then pour it into the 75 ml boiling water. But you will have to prepare 1 gram percent starch paste, and the total quantity of the water must be 100 ml. How much quantity water is left there?
मैम
Ma'am,
15 ml रह जाएगा.
Yes. So 15 ml remains. You will add the remaining water, make it up to volume 100 ml. This will be your required 1 gram percent starch paste. Is it okay? Is it clear to all of you?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you have prepared 1% starch paste by dissolving 1 gram of starch in the 100 ml of water. For this, you will have to first boil the 75 ml of water. When you will add the cold water, within minute it will boil itself. So there is no problem that you are adding water. Can you add the powder as such in this boiled water? Yes?
No, ma'am, वो clump बन जाएगा.
Yes, it will clump. So you cannot add the powdered as such in the boiling water, and you will have to add the powder material firstly in the cold water, then this cold water will be added to the boiled water, and total quantity will be made up to 100 ml. So it was all about the 1% starch paste. You will not have to prepare it, but you know the procedure, because you will have to write down the procedure to prepare the 1% starch paste. In the lab you will be given starch. As such, prepared starch paste will be provided to all of you, but in the exam you may have to write the procedure of preparation of 1 gram percent starch paste. So you must know how you have prepared it and write, and how then you can write properly. So here it is the procedure of the starch hydrolysis. Take 12 clean and dry test tubes. Divide into two sets. One set 6 test tubes in one set A, 6 test tube, one set B. You have taken 12 dry test tubes, clean dry test tubes, and you have divided these test tubes into two sets. Each set will carry 6 test tubes. In the set A, these set A and B. Add 2 ml of iodine solution in all the test tubes. 2 ml of iodine solution in all the test tubes of set A, and 5 ml of Benedict's qualitative reagent in all the test tubes of set B. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so that means you know that you have taken the 12 test tubes, you have divided these 12 test tubes in the two sets, one set A, one set B. Each set will carry 6 test tubes, and in the set A you will add 2 ml of iodine solution, and in the set B you will have to add 5 ml of Benedict's qualitative reagent. Just आप मुझे ये बताएं that in the Benedict's qualitative reagent, what is the procedure? Do you remember? So we will remind here that for the to perform the Benedict's qualitative test, to 5 ml of the to 5 ml of the Benedict's qualitative reagent, you will add 0.5 ml of 0.5 ml of the carbohydrate solution. Approximate concentration भी की है, but unfortunately all the tests are just have been demonstrated, not performed. So you will not remember in this sense, but for performing the test, you will add 5 to the 5 ml Benedict's qualitative reagent. You will have to add 0.5 ml of the carbohydrate solution, mix it well, then heat it on the direct flame for the 2 minutes or keep it in water bath for 3 to 4 minutes. आपने Benedict's qualitative test, and I have told you that these two tests, that the iodine test and Benedict's qualitative test, these are the confirmatory tests. So you have already prepared the test tube to perform these two tests. You have already prepared the test tubes to perform these two tests. In the set A, you have added. In the set A, you have added 2 ml of the iodine solution. In the set B, you have added 5 ml of the Benedict's qualitative reagent. The next step, take another test tube. Add 20 ml of 1% starch paste. Then add 10 drops of concentrated HCl. Mix it well and then keep it in a boiling water bath. जी बताएं, यहाँ तक आपको समझ आई है? Do you understand what is going on here?
मैम जो पॉइंट है कि 20 ml ऑफ 1% स्टार्च पेस्ट डालना है, इसका मतलब है जो 100 ml था जो स्टार्च पेस्ट का, उसमें से 20 ml निकाल कर डाल दें.
जी जी, yes. जी, you have taken a test tube, taken a new test tube. Don't disturb your sets. In these sets, there are 2 ml of iodine solution set A and a 6 test tube, and in the 6 test tube set B, you have 5 ml Benedict's qualitative reagent. You will have to take another test tube and you will take 20 ml of 1% starch paste in that test tube, and then you have added which thing? क्या ऐड किया है?
मैम स्टार्च का पेस्ट डालेंगे ना, कंसंट्रेटेड HCl डालेंगे और स्टार्च का पेस्ट.
हाँ जी, स्टार्च पेस्ट में you have added concentrated HCl. Then you have placed this test tube in the boiling water bath. Boiling water bath. Is it clear to all of you? Yes, girls, please answer me. Is it
Yes,
clear to all of
yes,
you?
ma'am.
Okay, so you have kept this test tube in the boiling water bath. This boiling water bath will remain boiling throughout the experiment. You will not take out the test tube from the boiling water bath. You will just take the sample from there in the test tube. और आपने इसको परफॉर्म करना है इस पे डिफरेंट टेस्ट, दैट इज द आयोडीन टेस्ट एंड बेनेडिक्ट्स क्वालिटेटिव टेस्ट. एंड keep in mind that test tube will remain in the boiling water bath. The test tube will remain in the boiling water bath throughout the experiment, throughout the procedure. This test tube that contains the 20 ml of 1% starch paste and concentrated 10 drops of concentrated HCl. Then there is, you are going to take the sample of the starch paste from the bottom of the test tube, and it is little bit difficult. Why? Because the boiling water, water is boiling, and you are taking with the help of dropper drops from the bottom of the test tube. So it will be in the summer